Qbiss One system fits perfectly together with prefabricated accessories. In order to make an appealing visual appearance of the building, we developed several different cut to size and ready to assemble accessories. The first one I would like to present to you is prefabricated corner element. There are 4 different types of corner elements: horizontal corner element, vertical corner element, U-corner element, and even 3D corner element that enables you to continue visual appearance of a facade into a soffit. The second accessory is curved element. Technical limitations in case of curved element are that maximum length of the element is 4 meters and minimum radius of the element is also 4 meters. To make a unique look on your facade, we developed a special application called ArtMe. With ArtMe, you can choose the predefined pattern you would like to have embossed on your facade, or propose your own, custom-made suggestion. ArtMe application is a perfect solution to emboss a logo of your company directly to facade, or to share the story about the design of the building with the rest of the world.